Working with Excel templates. Hey everyone, let's talk about templates because honestly, staring at a blank spreadsheet can be pretty intimidating, right? Your boss says, "Hey, can you whip up a budget tracker?" Or "We need an invoice template." And you're just sitting there looking at empty cells thinking, "Where do I even begin?" That's exactly why templates exist. They're like having a head start in a race. What templates actually are. A template is basically a ready-made spreadsheet. Someone's already done the hard work for you. The formatting's there, the formulas are built in, everything's set up. And the best part? Excel comes with tons of these built right in, completely free. Finding templates. Templates in Excel come in two main varieties, those provided by Microsoft and those you create yourself. Microsoft offers a wide variety of professionally designed templates for everything from budgeting to project management. These are available through the Office tab when you create a new file. The templates you create yourself are stored in the Personal tab, making them easily accessible whenever you need them. Let me show you how to find them. Click on File up at the top, and then click New. Now scroll down a bit and you'll see two tabs, Office and Personal. We'll get to Personal in a minute. For now, let's focus on Office. This is where all the built-in templates live. Excel organizes these templates into categories to make your life easier. See those suggested searches right under the search bar? Things like budgets, calendars, invoices. These are quick shortcuts. Let's say I need a budget. I'll click on Budgets. Excel immediately filters everything to show me just the budget-related templates. Look at all these options. Monthly company budgets, wedding expenses, college budgets, holiday planners. There's a lot here. Let me go back for a second. See that search bar at the top? You can search for anything you need. Let's try searching for invoice. Perfect. Lots of invoice templates to choose from. Using a template. When you find one you like, I'm going to pick this simple invoice one. Just click on it once. A preview window pops up showing you more details. You can see who made it, usually Microsoft, how big the download is, and you get a nice preview to make sure it's what you want. Those arrows on the side let you browse through similar templates too. This one looks good to me, so I'll click that green Create button. And boom, the template loads up in Excel. How templates work. Look up at the title bar. It says Simple Invoice 1. That's the template name. And here's something really important. Templates are completely reusable. Watch this. Let me change the company name. I'll type in Awesome Company. Now, if I try to save this, Excel is going to ask me to save it as a new file. The original template stays untouched, so I can use it again and again. Customizing templates. Everything in these templates can be changed. Don't like the colors? Change them using the formatting tools up top. All these fields, completely editable. Just double-click and start typing. And check this out. These templates come with formulas already built in. If I click on this total cell and look at the formula bar, there's already a formula in there. That means when I add line items, the math happens automatically. Let me add something. I'll put consulting services as the description, quantity is 5, unit price is 150, and no discount. Look at that, it calculated the total instantly. That's $750 and I didn't have to write a single formula. This is why templates save you so much time. You don't have to build the structure yourself, create the formulas, or set up the formatting. It's all done. Saving your own custom template. Now, once you've edited a template, you have options. You can save it as a regular Excel workbook. But here's something cool. You can also save it as your own custom template. Actually, you can save any workbook as a template file. Let me show you. Let's say I've customized this invoice. Maybe I changed the header color to this dark red. Maybe I added my company logo and adjusted some other things. Now I want to use this customized version every time I create an invoice. I need to save it as a template file. go to File, then Save As, and click Browse. Give it a name. I'll call this My Custom Invoice Template. Now, here's the key part. See where it says Save As Type? Click that dropdown. Instead of leaving it as Excel Workbook, change it to Excel Template. That's the one that says .xltx. Notice what just happened? As soon as I selected Template as the file type, Excel automatically jumped to the Custom Office Templates folder. This is Excel's default location for templates you create. Now, you could navigate back to your desktop or wherever you want to save it, but there's a big advantage to using this default folder. I'll show you in a second. Let me click Save. The file name changed up top, and I'm going to close this template now. I'll use the keyboard shortcut Control-W. Accessing your custom templates. Here's where the magic happens. Go back to File, then New. Remember that Personal tab we saw earlier? Click on that. There's my custom template right there. Any template you save in that default folder shows up here under Personal. It makes them super easy to access. If I had saved this to my desktop instead, it wouldn't show up here. I'd have to navigate to my desktop every time to open it. So it's up to you where you save your templates, but using that default folder definitely makes things more convenient. Let me click on my custom template. There it is. Opens right up with all my customizations, the red header, everything I changed. Now I can fill this out for a client, save it as a regular Excel file to send to them, and then come right back to this template for the next client. Same template, fresh start. Templates really are worth exploring. They give you a massive head start and save you from reinventing the wheel every time you need to create something new. Great job today. You now have a professional template library that grows with you. See you in the next lesson.